Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Navigating an airport can be an exciting yet busy experience. Whether you are checking in, going through security, or waiting at the boarding gate, these 300 practice sentences will help you navigate your journey with confidence and clarity. Check-in and documents. Could you please show me your passport and ticket? I am here to check in for my international flight. How many pieces of luggage are you checking today? Please place your suitcase on the weighing scale here. Is my carry-on bag within the allowed weight limit? Can I get a seat next to the window, please? I have already checked in online and have my boarding pass. Is the flight departing on time this afternoon? I am traveling with my family for a summer vacation. Please attach this fragile sticker to my main luggage. My passport is valid for another 3 years. I have saved my boarding pass on my mobile phone. Is there a long queue at the check-in counter today? Please make sure your luggage tag is attached securely. I am heading to the International Departures Terminal now. Security and immigration. Please remove your jacket and belt for security screening. Do you have any liquids or sharp objects in your bag? Please place your laptop in a separate plastic bin. I am walking through the metal detector right now. May I please see your passport and visa for entry? What is the purpose of your visit to this country? I am staying here for a 2-week business trip. Where will you be staying during your time here? Please look directly into the camera for identification. Your documents are in order, you may proceed through. I am ready to go through the security checkpoint now. Do I need to take off my shoes for screening? Everything in my bag is compliant with safety rules. The security officer is checking my carry-on item carefully. I have my arrival card filled out and ready. Gates and boarding. Where is the gate for flight number KL456? The departure gate is located at the end of this hall. Boarding for our flight will begin in 30 minutes. Please have your boarding pass ready for the agent. The gate information has been updated on the screen. I am sitting near the gate waiting for boarding. Passengers in Group B are now invited to board. I am walking down the jet bridge to the plane. Is this flight fully booked for today's journey? Please keep your hand luggage under the seat in front. The flight attendants are greeting us with a smile. I am looking for my seat row, number 22. Please fasten your seatbelt before the plane takes off. The captain has announced that we are ready for departure. It is such an exciting feeling to travel by air. Arrivals and baggage claim. Welcome to the arrival hall of the International Airport. Follow the signs to reach the baggage claim area. I am waiting for my suitcase at the conveyor belt. My luggage has a bright red ribbon for easy identification. Have you seen my blue suitcase coming out yet? I need to report a missing bag at the service desk. The customs officer is asking about my declared items. I have nothing to declare at the customs checkpoint today. I am exiting the terminal to meet my waiting driver. The currency exchange office is near the exit doors. I need to find a taxi to take me to the hotel. This airport is very large and easy to navigate. I am tired after the long flight across continents. I have finally arrived at my beautiful destination city. It feels wonderful to be back in this country. General airport interactions. Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom located? Can you tell me if there is free Wi-Fi here? I need to charge my phone before my flight departs. Is there a lounge where I can wait comfortably? I am looking for a cafe to grab a quick snack. The information desk is located in the center lobby. Can I buy some duty-free goods before I board? The flight announcement was difficult to hear clearly. I am checking the departure board for any delays. Thank you for your assistance with my heavy bags. I love watching the airplanes land from the window. The airport staff are working very hard today. I am keeping my boarding pass safe in my pocket. It is best to arrive 3 hours before international flights. Traveling is a great way to explore the world. Practical grammar and vocabulary, 151-300 sentences continued. I am traveling to London for a conference. The plane will take off in an hour. My seat is comfortable and very spacious today. We will land at the airport very soon. I am excited to see my friends abroad. The airport is bustling with many happy travelers. Please listen to the important safety announcements carefully. I enjoy the view from the airplane window. My flight journey is long but very comfortable. The staff at the gate are very professional. I am collecting my bags from the carousel. The terminal building is clean and well lit today. I am looking forward to my upcoming holiday trip. Everything is well organized at this modern airport. I feel confident while moving through the terminal. Traveling by air is very fast and efficient. I always double-check my passport before leaving home. The ground crew is busy loading the aircraft. I am waiting at the lounge for my flight. The air travel experience is very unique indeed. I like to walk around the terminal building. My suitcase is safe in the luggage compartment. The pilot spoke clearly to all the passengers. I feel relaxed while waiting for my plane. This is the start of a new adventure. The immigration process was very smooth and fast. I am happy to meet my family here. The airport shops offer a variety of gifts. I keep my valuables in my small bag. The boarding process is managed very effectively today. I am watching the flight status on screens. The airport is a gateway to the world. I am grateful for the efficient airline service. Traveling helps me learn about new different cultures. I am ready for my flight to begin. The arrival area is very easy to find. I enjoy the process of global air travel. My phone is fully charged for the flight. I am following the signs to the gate. The airport is a place of endless possibilities. I am observing the airplanes on the runway. The check-in line is moving very quickly now. I have all my documents in my folder. Traveling with friends is a great fun experience. I am happy with my seat reservation today. The airport terminal is very clean and bright. I am ready to depart on my journey. The flight attendant is very kind to us. I like to read during the plane ride. The airport experience is very well managed today. I am excited to reach my new destination. The customs line is not very long today. I am collecting my belongings from the bin. Traveling brings me a lot of great joy. I enjoy the convenience of the modern airport. My flight path is over the blue ocean. I am relaxed during the whole flight journey. The airport staff are always very helpful here. I feel safe while traveling with this airline. Every trip creates a very special life memory. I am observing the busy airport activity today. The flight path is clear for our departure. I enjoy the comfort of my airplane seat. The airport offers many services for all travelers. I am well prepared for my trip abroad. The gate agent checked my documents very fast. Traveling opens my mind to the wide world. I am happy to be at the airport. The baggage area is very clean and organized. I enjoy the atmosphere of the international airport. My journey is filled with a lot of excitement. The airport makes travel very easy for everyone. I am watching the flight time very closely. The cabin crew is doing a great job. I am ready to explore the new city. The boarding gate is just a short walk. I am happy with the services provided today. Traveling is a privilege I value a lot. The airport is a hub of busy activity. I am checking my gate number again now. The departure time is very soon for us. I enjoy the excitement of airport travel life. My trip will be a very memorable one. The airport is a clean and quiet space. I am ready to board the plane soon. The staff members are very professional and kind. Traveling is a way to see the world. I am happy to reach my destination safely. The customs check went very smoothly for me. I am collecting my bags with great ease. The airport is a great place to start. I enjoy the process of air travel today. My flight was very peaceful and very smooth. The airport offers good food and great drinks. I am grateful for the journey I had. Traveling gives me a sense of true freedom. The airport terminal is very easy to use. I am checking my ticket for seat details. The boarding gate is ready for our flight. I enjoy the comfort of the airport lounge. My travel plans are very well organized today. The airport is a very busy, vibrant place. I am ready to fly to my destination. The cabin is very clean and well maintained. I enjoy watching the world from the sky. The airport makes global travel very accessible now. I am happy to follow all safety rules. Traveling is the best way to gain knowledge. The airport staff provided me with great help. I am excited for the service on board. The terminal is full of very friendly people. I am checking my luggage weight with care. The flight journey is short but very pleasant. I enjoy the convenience of the digital pass. The airport is a gateway to wonderful dreams. I am happy to be traveling with family. The customs process was simple and very fast. I am picking up my luggage with ease. The airport offers a great start today here. I enjoy the modern amenities of the airport. My flight arrived perfectly on time as planned. The airport atmosphere is very welcoming to all. I am prepared for my new trip now. The flight was very smooth and very quiet. I am ready to experience my new destination. The airline service is very professional and kind. Traveling is a way to meet new souls. I am satisfied with my airport experience today. The baggage carousel is moving very smoothly now. I am ready to leave the airport building. The airport makes world travel simple and fun. I enjoy the view of the bright runway. The check-in agent was very helpful to me. Traveling is a way to grow your mind. I am happy with my smooth departure today. The cabin crew is attentive to every passenger. I enjoy the convenience of online flight check-in. The airport is a very efficient travel hub. I am ready to start my vacation trip. The customs officer greeted me with a smile. I am collecting my bags and going out. The airport is full of very exciting energy. I enjoy the variety of shops and cafes. My travel documents are ready for the check. The flight journey was short and quite nice. The airport facilities are modern and very clean. I am happy to arrive at my destination. The airline staff provided excellent care to us. Traveling brings me a lot of great happiness. I am impressed by the airport's great layout. My flight was comfortable and very safe today. The airport offers many options for all travelers. I am ready for the new adventure now. The cabin environment is very calm and quiet. I enjoy the thrill of the takeoff moment. The airport makes international travel very easy today. I am following all the instructions with care. Traveling is an excellent way to learn life. The airport staff helped me find my way. I am looking forward to the flight food. The terminal is full of very diverse people. I am watching my luggage go on the belt. The flight journey felt very short and fun. I enjoy using the airport's free Wi-Fi now. The airport is the start of my success. I am happy to be on this journey. The customs process was simple and very quick. I am happy to find my bags fast. The airport provides a great service for all. I enjoy the quiet atmosphere of the lounge. My flight was right on time as scheduled. The airport is a very pleasant place today. I am prepared for the trip of dreams. The cabin was warm, cozy, and very safe. I am ready to start my new experience. The staff members are very well trained today. Traveling is the best way to see wonders. I am satisfied with the flight service here. The carousel is bringing my bags to me. I am leaving the airport with a smile. The airport makes world travel very simple now. I enjoy watching the planes in the sky. The agent helped me with my ticket details. Traveling is a path to better yourself today. I am happy with my very smooth journey. The crew members are very helpful to us. I enjoy using the online check-in system now. The airport is a very good travel hub. I am ready for my wonderful vacation trip. The officer was very polite during the check. I am happy to pick up my bags. The airport is full of very positive energy. I enjoy the shops and all the cafes. My passport is safe in my hand now. The flight was comfortable, smooth and nice. The terminal is modern and very easy here. I am happy to be at my destination. The airline service is top tier for all. Traveling is a way to find true peace. I am impressed by the design and layout. My flight was safe and very pleasant today. The airport has many choices for every guest. I am ready for the adventure of life. The cabin was clean and very well organized. I enjoy the excitement of the journey ahead. The airport makes travel very easy for all. I am ready to start my new journey. The customs agent was very kind to me. I am happy with the airport experience today. The bag belt is moving very fast now. I am walking to the exit with joy. The airport is the best place for fun. I enjoy seeing the planes on ground today. The ticket agent was very kind and sweet. Traveling is a way to see the truth. I am happy with the safe trip today. The flight crew worked very hard for us. I enjoy the ease of the terminal flow. The airport is a very good travel home. I am ready for my happy holiday now. The officer made the check very fast today. I am happy to reach the city safely. The airport is full of great travel dreams. I enjoy the beautiful views of the sky. Traveling is a way to find your soul.